project. I'm so glad they provided directions, because this doesn't give me any information that is useful. The steering dampener, this is the only information that the children's book provides. I'm going to grind off this weld splatter because I don't like it. You can see where it was supposed to connect. These flat spots keep the U-bolt from rotating. When I first started lining this up, I said, well, hey, this doesn't fit. Then I realized that's how it fits. Spacers that go in here, nuts and bolt washers are all together. Missing this nut. I'm missing two nuts. Of the top bolt in to align it. Look at this gap right here. This is a transfer punch. Here's I have this range in between. I'm going to try to center it. And that's where I'm going to drill my hole. Here's my punch mark that I made with the transfer punch. And before I start trying to wall that out with a 1/2-inch drill bit, I want to drill a pilot hole. I don't have clearance to get this to fit in there. So that means I need to get a shorter drill bit or jack the truck up. If I put it like this, it appears to line up better than, say, if I go like this, and it doesn't really line up. Bring it underneath, slip it inside, and that's where we're going to put it in. When putting nuts and bolts into items like this, never put the bolt upward, because if the nut comes off, everything falls out. Always put the bolt coming down. That way, if the nut comes off, the bolt is still in the hole. Driver's side is now installed. The instructions have the picture where it's installed like this, but it's not. This is not lining up for me. I need to hook it up over here. I'm going to put the bolt through to hold it in place to make sure it lines up. And we want to center it. We can either eyeball it or take a tape measure and find the center. Once this is centered, we take our transfer punch and see the way the transfer punch is shaped. So all we got to do is put it in here and the hole will be centered. I broke the drill bit off inside the hole. That's not good because that metal's hard and it's going to get in the way. Linkage has a flat spot where the the original U-bolt bolts went. Apparently the new ones, it doesn't really matter. Put a nut on the top one. This will go right here. Nut side down, nut side towards the back. Alright, so I'm going to put the made in China towards the back. So apparently, these nuts, there's a bottom and there's a top. The rounded side goes towards the top. Fancy cover, the washer, and then the nut. This will go in the wrong direction. Open it. Slide it in. Washer. And nut. Here's my critique. See that space? That gap should not be there. It's because that spacer is too long. This is how it's supposed to look like. Project completed.